Welcome to week 24, assignment 1. We are going to take what we learned last week, creating a character using only shapes, and you're going to apply it. So basically what you're going to be doing is I want you to create an animal, any animal, using shapes in PowerPoint. I need to be able to tell that what animal it is for you to get credit. So you need to make sure you put some thought into it. If you really are being not creative or something, if you go to the assignment, I have a video that I posted that shows like 5 different animals, and he goes through how to make them. It's all done with shapes, it's all in PowerPoint, and that's what I want you to accomplish. It does not have to be one of these. This is only if you want to follow and look at examples. But you can create a rat, you can create a cow, whatever it is you want to create. If you are following how we are saving it, it is Q3A9, and it is our animal. So, and you can submit it, and if you have any problems or questions, please message me. If not, I hope to see you soon.